Welcome to our tutorial series on minting a PurseBOX NFT. If you have accumulated 1 million Purse tokens, you're eligible to create your very own PurseBOX NFT. However, Purse tokens may be dispersed across various blockchains and must be consolidated on the Ethereum chain to proceed with minting. Unfortunately, direct conversion of Purse tokens from Binance Smart Chain or other supported chains to Ethereum is not currently possible. The process requires an intermediate step of converting tokens to FX Core first. We anticipate direct conversions might become available in the future. In this series, we've divided the instructions into 3 distinct videos. This first video will guide you through the process of bridging your Purse tokens from the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, to FX Core. Let's embark on this step-by-step journey together.
Let's convert Purse tokens from Binance Smart Chain to FX Core.
Begin by navigating to the FX Bridge website, which facilitates token transfers between different blockchains. You'll need a compatible wallet. For this tutorial, we will use the FX wallet, but you can also use MetaMask or any other wallet that supports the required networks. Open your FX wallet and select the BNB chain where your Purse tokens are stored. On the FX Bridge interface, select the Wallet Connect option and choose version 2.0. Use your mobile wallet to scan the QR code displayed by FX Bridge to establish a connection. Once scanned, authorize the connection in your FX wallet. On the FX Bridge, select the source and destination networks. In our case, from Binance Smart Chain to FX Core. Before proceeding, make sure to approve FX Bridge to interact with your tokens if this is your first time using the bridge with your wallet. Click on Approve and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Enter the amount of Purse tokens you wish to bridge. You can select all available tokens by choosing the Max option. Confirm the network details and the token choice, then click on Transfer. In your FX wallet, approve the transfer and pay the necessary gas fees with BNB. Wait for the blockchain confirmation. The transfer time can vary based on network congestion. Once the transaction is complete, go to your FX Core wallet. Ensure that you access the same wallet address that you used for the BNB chain to avoid any confusion. Check your balance to see the Purse tokens. If they aren't visible immediately, they should appear shortly depending on the network speed. If your tokens are not listed in your wallet, you may need to manually add the Purse token using the Add Token function. Congratulations, you have successfully bridged your Purse tokens from Binance Smart Chain to FX Core. This completes the first part of our tutorial. Stay tuned for next video where we will guide you on how to bridge these tokens from FX Core to the Ethereum network, setting the stage for minting your PurseBOX NFT.